Which of the two formats represented here convey information in a much simplistic and easy to perceive manner? You would agree that the above data, which is represented in the form of a table, would add value, but the below plot does convey the information much more meaningfully. Now, this is where our power of visualization comes into the picture. Human brain perceives visual images much easily and much simplistically than it conveys tabular data. So is with anyone who would like to convey a message to a third party, to a client, to a boss, or to any other person, representing the insights drawn from your data. Matplotlib is one of the most powerful tools for visualization in Python. Let us learn more about it in this tutorial for Matplotlib. I am Saurav Agarwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the first module of our Matplotlib tutorial, we shall see how to make our basic plot. So let us first import matplotlib.pyplot.plt. So pyplot modules or submodule of Matplotlib enables us to create two-dimensional plots in Matplotlib. There are various other modules such as animation, animation, backend, etc., which we shall discuss in a later module. Secondly, we are also importing the NumPy library because we need to create certain data structures which will help us add data to our plot. We are creating a linearly spaced NumPy array here, which the starting value of which is 0 and it goes to up till 2. We'll take 2 into np.py. Okay, and we are taking 100 such points here. The y represents np.sinx. Creating a plot in Matplotlib is as simple as calling the alias plt.plot, passing the x-axis and the y-axis, and calling plt.show. Since this is an interactive Jupyter Notebook Google Colab environment, you would not even require to call plt.show. However, when we are using Python scripts, you need to explicitly call plt.show. So it is a good practice to use plt.show. So if you see, we are creating a sine wave here using our and making our first plot. Now that you're comfortable making your first plot in Matplotlib, understanding the visualization capability, we shall dive deeper and see how to add details to this plot.